let's look at this sum. Let's let n be 1 and substitute that in here. So that gives you 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus, so let n be 2. If n is 2, that's 1/2 minus 1/3. Plus 1/3 minus 1/4. Plus, dot, dot, dot. The end you'll have 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1. Now look what happens. Notice how the second one cancels with the next one. The last one, the second term, cancels with the first term of the next one. So what you're left with is a 1, because all these are canceled. And the term right before 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1, what would that be? Well, that would be 1 over n minus 1 minus 1 over n. You know how these, the last term, let me get another color here. This last term matches the first one of the next one. So what am I left with? This term is going to cancel with the previous one. And now these two have canceled. So I'm left with minus 1 over n plus 1. So let's see if that is greater than 9/10. Is that what I'm trying to figure out? Is this greater than 9/10? Well, let me switch to k since it says it's the sum of the first k terms. Doesn't really matter, but I'm going to. Now clear your fractions by multiplying by 10 and a k plus 1. Multiply this by 10, k plus 1. Multiply this by 10 and a k plus 1. So 1 times this gives me 10 times a k plus 1 minus, here those cancels, I'm left with a minus 10 is greater than the 10 cancels, and 9 times a k plus 1. So let's solve this. 10 k plus 1